Hello, I'm John Kielec, and I'm the DailyNetPay private trade share admin and owner, and also what I do is trade Forex market and Bitcoin. In this update, you will see the trading results for the week from Monday, October 21st to today, which is Friday, October 25th. So let's go, before I give you any details, let's go to the charts first and see what kind of trading week it was. Okay, we have four highlighted trade opportunities in here, and basically I'm going to just, these are the trades that were done this week, and you're going to see how we did. I'm going to tell you before I go any further, this is the lowest number of trades that I have traded since I've started trading for the DailyNetPay and private trade shares. And you'll find out the reason why. And did we come in profit or not? Well, stick around. Anyways, first let's go to the USA, USD, and Canadian dollar. All right. This is open trade from the 23rd, which was Wednesday, and you can see, okay, the trend is kind of down. I went for up because we got a signal to go up. But anyways, it's been a choppy market, and this is the trade that is still open in Owenda, our broker. All right, so right now, okay, we came into the profit over here. You can see this is the trend line, the resistance, and anyways, we're down here right now, and the market went down. So hopefully next week it's going to bounce again. But, you know, that's the open trade, and it's kind of lingering. But eventually this Canadian dollar will go up. It's just this week it did not. Okay, so that's one of the open trades. Next one we have traded is euro against Australian dollar. Okay, there was one trade in here. We took some profit in here. All right, there was a small profit, but it was a profit. But we have another two trades in here open, and this is an FX choice, our other broker, and this is kind of the trade that we got in here. We got the signal to go over here, and there was another trade over here, okay, and this is still not well, it's not profitable, but they are still open. No profit or loss, it's not done until the trade is closed. But anyways, so we were in profits in here with one of them. This is the higher one, but the market went down, but it looks like it's turning around. So, okay, these are one profitable, two open trades in here. Next, British pound against New Zealand dollar. This was second reason why we had lower number of trades this week, because in here, okay, we had placed a trade over here, which was Tuesday, and for prices to go down. We got a signal over here with strong signal downwards, and as the trend continued downwards, but it went reversed over here. But it, you know, several times we got the signals the price is going to go down. It's on the way up. But here is the resistance, and that resistance was not broken twice. So, and this is a third time resistance. So more likely it's going to rebound, and we're going to take profit in here. But like I said, this is the number two reason, because in here, when we place this trade, the stop loss, okay, the stop loss was moved up. Otherwise, we would have, you know, I risked a little bit of money, but I said no. It's gone way too far up, and if I'm gonna just get stopped out at the new resistance up here, they're going to take some profit. I said, no, I'm going to raise the stop loss, which I did, and we were safe. The trailing profit or take profit is down here, and the reason that take profit is down here because this is 3 times resistance in the past. Okay, below the support, which was resistance. So it looked good, but that's the market that is open in Owenda. Next, okay, and finally, this was the #1 reason why I have traded less trades than normal, because of the Bitcoin. And you guess what happened today with Bitcoin? Well, it went up almost $1,000, and we had a trade for prices to go up on the 15th. It was the first trade way up here. And again, it looked good, like, you know, for the prices to go up. We got in here. It was a little channel, but all of a sudden it went down. Okay, this was our trading profit taking up here. I had the stop loss over here originally. What happened in here? The prices went down. Okay, so it was open, losing trade. I says, okay, didn't hit a stop loss. I purchased another position in Bitcoin, okay, for prices to go up because it looked pretty good. Bottom of the Bollinger Band, which doesn't mean nothing sometimes. But anyways, we had big drop. And once again, we had like a channel. Okay, and in here, the 220-day moving average, it showed it went for prices up. So it looked pretty good. It looked pretty good. And it was still below the first trade that we had from the 15th. Anyway, still we got in here on the 21st and of this week, okay, and the market has dropped down a bit, and I said, okay, since these two are in profits, looks like the price is going to go up. It's above the 20 moving average, and it was going good. All right, so we still had some trailing or stop loss listed over here. But all of a sudden here, the market just unpredictably went down. I go, whoa. So anyways, when I see the market hit over here, and I can enlarge this a bit, when I see the market hit over here, I said, okay, it looks like the price is going to rebound and go up again. And in the way they did, we had 3 losing open trades right now. This trade started to go up. Well, guess what? Well, then on the 23rd, then, you know, the market just, boom, went down. And luckily, in here, okay, in here, when I've seen this candlestick pointing downwards, okay, it was like a solid downwards, and no up, no, I go, oh, and that kind of told me, this is something not right. This could be a reversal further. So I increased, because I don't want to lose these 4 trades. There's no way. So I have increased the stop loss, and I moved it way below to another way down here below way below what was going to happen. Well, basically, what I suggested last week that the price is going to reach around 8,500. Well, they did. Okay, they did actually 8,600, 8,700. But I said there's also downside. Okay, downside of around 7,500, 72, 7,300. Okay, that was the downside, because you don't know with this. Well, when I said, okay, let's put the thing around $7,300 stop loss, and that's what I did. And I'm glad I did that. If not, we would have lost all of these 5 trades, because when the market dropped, I said, okay, it's getting pretty close to that $7,300 stop loss. And when this went down, I have increased that stop loss to here. Then I says, okay, we got 2 more trades in here. And I says, okay, we got to do something in here. This market has got to reverse. It cannot go below this 7,300 mark. And it did not. It stopped around 7,340, and it created a channel. And guess what happened today? It was a big relief. This is another reason, this was the main reason why I didn't want to trade anymore, put any more of our funds into trades in case we would lose, okay? Because if we would have lost this, okay, there are several $1,000s in losses in Bitcoin, okay? And I'm going to tell you one thing. Trading Bitcoin is different than Forex market. This is the second time something like that happened to me where we had stop losses increased to about $1,500, okay? And then we had hedged so many trade funds. I hedge 5 trades, and this is exactly what we had. So, you know, today when I seen this market go up, I says, whoa. And we got our trading stop loss. Even the market went a little higher, but our trading PT profit-taking stop loss was in here. So every time it went up, our trailing stop went up till it started going down. Then we were nice profit with those 5 trades. And thanks to that, we got the profits today. This is what put our trades into profit for an entire week. But it was a lesson learned for me because I never want to find myself in such a situation because we had a lot of funds tied up in these 5 trades, which I didn't want to risk any more funds trading any other market. But once again, trading Forex is different because Forex market depends on financial reports, what government does, and all kinds of other stuff. You can predict some of these things, but Bitcoin, no matter what, like today, China announced something with Bitcoin, and it drove the prices up. But that still didn't mean nothing. In the past, there was some news was released about Bitcoin, trashing Bitcoin. It's going to go down to practically nothing. What happened to Bitcoin? It did opposite. It went up like crazy. So certain markets or trading Bitcoin, you cannot look at the financials markets or anything like that because it's got nothing to do with it. You know, it is like a lot of professionals say, you know, in the last couple of weeks, I listened to some major professionals, traders for the Bitcoin, and they even had a hard time predicting standing on the sides, even though they were predicting that the prices are not going to go to that 7,500, but they did. And, but anyways, we're out of that. That was a big relief, and thanks to that, I am going to take a little break from a Bitcoin. There's no open trades for the weekend. We closed this. This was through the FX choice. So these were the trades that we done. So how did we do? Well, let's go to the stats. Like I say, our week's profit, it was 2.74%. Well, we didn't get that target of 3.5%, what I usually aim, but hey, profit is a profit. It's still a little bit under the 3% for entire week. It's not bad. And we had in Alanda, we had 1 trade. There was 0 losses. And on one that we have 2 open trades right now. FX choice, we had 7 wins. Okay, 5 of those was to the Bitcoin. There was 0 losses. We have 2 open trades. So we had a total of 8 winning trades, no losses for this week. And we have 4 open trades. And once again in here, a lowest number of trades, and that was due to increased stop losses in Bitcoin and British pound against the New Zealand. And this afternoon, finally, Bitcoin came into profit, and that is what put those trades in nice profit and gave us a positive weekly return. Same plan was used and traded with British pound and New Zealand dollar, but the trade still remains open. And like I said, there was a lesson learned by me this week. I will never put myself in such situation, especially with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is just Bitcoin. Okay, so we're still in profit, still looks good, and I'm still hoping to beat the previous record of 16.84 or something like that profit for the whole week. That's my record, and I have a feeling it's going to happen in November. I don't know. The market's a little crazy this month, but anyways, that's my next target. Okay, so anyways, well, thank you for watching. I wish you my best. Have a great weekend, and until next week, God bless.